Hi, today I want to show you how my new function in my PyRevit extension looks and works. This is the Earth Terminal calculator for supply and return systems, and the function that allowed you to add your own preferences and create tool exact for your purpose and workflow. And how it looks. So I picked the Air Terminal calculator settings, and as you see, there are three options. First is the slider, which allowed you to pick the right system that you want to edit. The default is on the left, and this is the supply. If you want to edit the return, you need to click the slider. I want to show you the return, so I leave this in this position. Next is the add R terminal. This is the function to add your own terminal preference to your settings. And the last is delete R terminal. This function allows you to delete some properties from your settings, and this allowed you to see whole list with your properties. And I click this because I want to show you how the structure of the properties looks. And as you see, I have only one default R terminal property in my settings, and what the value means. First value is the minimum airflow for this property of your air terminal. Second is the max airflow for this air terminal. Next value are very important because this is the value of the exact name of your family type which you are using in your model. And if you want, if program need to work good, you need to write exact type name here in this value. Next is the noise, and in my case this is the value which I use to add the steps for my air terminals. I prefer the steps with 25, 30 and 35 decibels for our terminal. So I place this min and max flow in this noise volume. Next is the air return rotation. This is the short info about this exact type and property. And the last is the description. If you want to add more text about one type, you can add this in this place. Okay, I don't want to delete the settings, so I just close the window. The monitor is erased. I press OK. All program works perfect. And now I want to add my own preference and show you how you can manage your own settings. So I have few air terminal in my model, this tree with few types, and I want to add the return air terminal. What I need is the type name and all the values that I want to add there. First, I pick the Air Terminal Calculator settings option. I click the slider and pick the return. And now I want to add Air Terminal. I press the button, and now you see I need to write minimum airflow for this air terminal, and I will do this. I write this. Now, second, family type. This is very important. I make the screenshot. Okay. All it's okay. I press now decibels. This is the test, so I write 30. And description, maybe and okay. Now I get the console info. All it's okay. I close the console, and now I have one more property in my settings for return. And now I pick the R terminal calculator for return system, and now I need to pick which R terminal I want to edit. As you see, you need to have your R terminal in the model if you want to edit this. This could be done by the dynamo, which plays the R terminal in your spaces, depends of the space volume or other values. And I pick 2 R terminal because you can pick as many as you want, and press finish. And now I need to write the flow that I want to use in this exact space. I print this, and now the program returned all preferences for this airflow, and I have only one option, so I mark this R terminal and press select, and now as you see there is the change of the R terminal. All looks good and the type is changed. And if you want to add more, you need just to process the R terminal calculator settings and add your own. Maybe we could add another to the return, and now we add another version, maybe 200, and family type name the same as previous, so we will write 660 and press OK. And now for this airflow, the R terminal has different volume in decibels, so I write 35 and press OK. Now short description and comment, press OK. All it's OK. And now if I pick R terminal calculator return, pick one of them, press finish, write the airflow, and now you see there are more preferences for this airflow, and if in this space, if the air terminal could be louder, I will pick the higher one. But if in this space you need the 30 decibels, you just pick the old one. When I press this air terminal, it won't change anything, but if I add new type in my settings, this the program will change the type of the air terminal. I think the program is very simple, and that's all that I want to show you. If you have some question or you have idea what else can I add to this function, please write to me under this film or write to me directly on LinkedIn or on my blog. I'm happy that you are using these tools, and see you in the next film. Goodbye.